Hello everyone, I am back with one other video, and this is an unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. I have the LTE model, 47 millimeters. Now, I ordered this when I ordered my Z Fold 5. My Z Fold 5 came 3 days early. I got it on the 8th of August. This thing barely got here. It was pending for the longest time. I finally got it. So this is the unboxing. Now, I've noticed that with other unboxings, the box actually looks different. Okay, this does say Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, LTE Bluetooth, 47 millimeter LTE, but this is the package I got it in. It's not sealed, and this is direct from Samsung. It just has this little plastic thing here. Take it off. Does anyone else have this unboxing experience? I'd be curious to know. Everyone I've seen, it comes with like a little pull tab and in a much smaller box. So I'm not sure exactly what the deal is, but everything is here. It looks like there's that. Okay, I'm not sure what's supposed to be here, but this is what I have. I think the charging cable is in here. Let me see. I assume it's in here. Let me go ahead and unpackage that. So let's see what's in this. So yeah, it's just a different package. I don't know. Oh, okay, I just destroyed that thing here. I don't know why I got such a different unboxing. I have such a different situation with the box here. I'm not sure exactly what's going on. But anyway, just some books here. Okay, there's nothing here but filler. I guess the cable's down here somewhere. Let me try taking it out from the bottom. Okay, so I guess this is the cable and the charger. Okay, so this is the charger and the cable. Okay, so yeah, and I'm not sure what this stuff is here. Do not accept if seal is broken. Oh wow, okay, so this is really weird. It looks like this packaging, it looks like this was supposed to go on the outside of the packaging and it wasn't done. So I don't know what's going on. This is completely straight from Samsung. Anyhow, here's the watch. The seal wasn't even on, it was broken. Here's the watch and here's the watch face itself. Let's see if it turns on. I got it in silver, so here's what the silver looks like. I had an old Motorola watch, and I really liked the round. Okay, there we go, Samsung. So it's got some juice still, fortunately. I had the old Motorola watch, so I really like the round watch. Although I don't know if anything's going to replace my Ultra. Don't know, but I'll give it a shot. See what happens. Maybe I'll be a super nerd and put it on both my wrists. So Samsung Galaxy, secured by Knox. Okay. So this is really weird. It literally says, do not accept the seal is broken. It looks like they didn't package it properly. I don't know. This is how it came from Samsung though. If anyone has a similar experience, this is taking a little time. We'll check out I did order it and I was able to get the free well, I guess one should come with it, but I also got this Eco leather band hybrid. So I got it silver with that and then the fabric case as well. So we can check these out in the meantime. This finally, okay, it says welcome. And it's doing a thing, Galaxy Watch BQSJ6. Not sure what that means, but okay. All right, we'll let that boot up a little bit. Let's see what's in here. So these are the watches. I'm gonna go ahead and try it out. I'm gonna compare it to the Ultra. I have the Apple Watch Ultra. I didn't buy the new Ultra because I just didn't really think it was worth the upgrade. My Ultra is working just fine, so I didn't get the Ultra 2 just to kind of tap your finger. Although that tapping finger thing is actually something you can access in accessibility, so that's not even really a new thing. Yeah, this is a little bit tricky here. Let me see. Oh, here we go. So let me see if I can just take it off from the top here. This is a fabric band. This is one click. I guess it's supposedly one click when you put it on. We'll see how that works on. I know that some people have complained. I saw Tao. I don't know her last name. I know she's Tao. Her name's Tao. She always says Tao here, and she does her videos. I think she's Canadian. She's from Canada, and I think she's a Samsung, kind of a Samsung person. Does a lot of Samsung reviews, and she said something to the effect of she wasn't a big fan of how they latched on here. So let's see what the fabric case looks like. And I have a ton of Apple fabric cases, obviously for the watch. Okay, so this is your standard fare. It seems pretty decent. Let's see here. Take it off. And this is the black fabric case. I wonder how it goes on. Kind of curious to see how that works here. So this thing finally, it turned on and then it turned back off. Okay, so I guess I gotta do the thing and figure out how. Okay, yeah, I'll get all that set up. My concern is that I'm really hard on watches, and this thing has taken massive abuse. So I'm just wondering how this one's gonna hold up. I'm almost afraid to use it because I don't want to damage it. I mean, I'm just really bad with watches. Okay, let's see how this thing kind of goes on here. Let's see if I can kind of finagle it really quick. Okay, let's see. Not sure. I'm gonna have to figure this out. So that might be for another video. Let's see if I can get it in here. Okay, it just kind of pops in there. Boy, this feels pretty flimsy, I must say. Yeah, it doesn't give me a whole lot of confidence. I'll have to figure that out later. But the band itself seems like it's okay. I do like the silver color. It's nice, and it does have a little heft to it. It's okay. I hope the screen is as strong as the sapphire glass on the Apple watches, because on the stainless steel Apple watches and Apple Watch Ultra, because again, I'm very abusive to my watches, and I try not to be, but I'm just klutzy, so you know, it happens. Yeah, this I'll have to figure out later on. Let's check out the leather band. This just feels like, you know, your typical fabric case. I will say, it does feel a little bit cheaper than, it feels kind of like a knockoff Apple fabric band. That's what like the ones you buy on eBay. And if you don't buy them on eBay, it's actually not bad because they're really cheap, and they're kind of disposable for me at this point because you know, I use them for working out. I don't really like the silicone. I can't use the silicone ones because they make marks on my arms. I'm allergic to it, I think. Get a reaction. Okay, so let's try this hybrid brand here. Maybe we'll have better luck with this. This I thought looked really nice, and I thought the color combination would be nice. Oh, so this feels much better. This feels nice, actually. Okay. Well, that feels pretty good. Yeah, I can roll with this. This feels good. Yeah, so let's see. Let me see. I got to figure out how to put this on. That's my bad. I probably should have done some more homework on it, but I am. Let's see here. Let me see if I'll pull that back real quick, see if I can get it on there. Whoops, sorry about the camera. High-tech operation here. Yeah, I'm gonna have to figure this out. Might help if I put it the other way. Let's see here. It's kind of tough to do it from behind the camera. I'm sorry for the shaking camera there. Yeah, I'll have to figure that out, but it looks pretty nice. I think that color combination is gonna look good. Again, I'll have to figure out how to put these bands on properly, so my bad on that. I'm just not, this is the first Samsung watch I've ever owned. This is actually the first Android watch I've ever owned since the Motorola, old Motorola watches. Yeah, so I haven't used one extensively, so I'm curious to see how it comes. But I will say this hybrid eco leather band, this feels really good. It says one click, so I'm gonna have to figure out how that click works. But yeah, this feels really good. So this might be the one to get. This one feels a little cheap, and I hope these are not overpriced, because if you want extra bands and they're egregiously overpriced, then that's going to kind of ruin it a little bit. The watch itself, I think it goes for in the $450 range, something like that. I have the top of the line 47 millimeter LTE model, so we'll see how it goes. Anyway, sorry for the big mess here. Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. Watch 6 Classic, again, LTE Wi-Fi. That's just my unboxing there. I'll get it hooked up. First impression so far, it looks pretty solid. I did like the screen. Looks nice. Gonna have to figure out how to use it. I don't really know too much, how to use this, so we'll have to figure that out. And yeah, we'll go from there. Okay. Well, that's all for now. The bands look pretty good. The fabric band, I'm not as impressed with. I'll figure out how to use this. That really weird unboxing experience. If anyone else had an unboxing experience where Samsung forgot to seal the package, I'd be really curious to know. Anyhow, thank you for watching. Hope you're well. I hope your family's well, and take care of yourself. See you next time.